This instructional video will show you how to install the ActiveX controls to run MLXchange. Also, if you're seeing the reset error, these are the steps that you'll need to follow to rectify that problem. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that. First of all, you'll need to start Internet Explorer. At the top of Internet Explorer, you should see here your tools icon. Also, if you want to enable your menu bar, you can do that as well. On the little tools icon there, you click on that, and near the bottom you're going to see Internet Options. Click on Internet Options and see the section where it says Browsing History under the General tab. You want to click the delete button. Uncheck everything there except temporary internet files and cookies. You can delete the other items as well, but these are only two. These are at a minimum that we'll need you to check. So after you check those two, just click on delete. Okay, you'll see a little indication at the bottom once it's finishes deleting the history, but you can just ignore that for now. Go back to your Internet Options dialog and click the Settings button, where it asks or gives you an options for checking for newer versions of stored pages. We recommend that you would select the every time I visit the web page and click OK. Alright, now click on the Security tab, and in the Security tab click on the Internet Zone and just check that medium high, at least medium high is set. If you don't see the security level option here, then make sure you choose default level. Just click that button and you'll see the sliding scale here. You can slide it to medium high. On trusted sites, if you click that, also you should see a similar security level sliding scale there. If you don't see it, again select the default button and you will see it, and just slide that to medium. Also, you'll need to, for trusted sites, click on the Sites button. And once you click on the Sites button, we want to first of all uncheck this option that says Require Server Verification for all sites in this zone. Click in that area there and type in http://MAAR.MLXchange.com. And then once you type that correctly, just hit Add and hit Close. Okay. Alright, so now back to our options. The next is our Privacy tab. Click on that. And make sure, if you have the pop-up blocker turned on, make sure you go to Settings and add MAAR.MLXchange.com as an allowable website. After you type that in, you can now click on Close. Okay, let's go all the way over to the Advanced tab now. And you see you have lots of settings here. Scroll down till you see the browsing section right there that my mouse is over, and scroll down until you see an option called Enable Third-Party Browser Extensions. I want you to uncheck that and go on down to where it says Show Friendly HTTP Error Messages. Uncheck that also. So after you have those settings done, now we've done all of our internet options. Just click on Apply and OK. Now going back to our Internet Explorer, the menu items here, if you click on Tools, make sure the ActiveX filtering is not checked. If you select it here, you'll see that it's actually checked, but I want it to be unchecked. So make sure that it's unchecked. because that will prevent the ActiveX controls from being installed if it is checked. So again, make sure that is unchecked. Alright, so now we're done with this portion of Internet Explorer, so you can close out the browser. Now we'll need to restart Internet Explorer as an administrator. So what you'll do is go to your Start menu and click on All Programs, and you see Internet Explorer in that list there. Make sure you select the one that just says Internet Explorer and not the one that says Internet Explorer 64-bit. Okay. So once you have moved your mouse over Internet Explorer, right mouse click, and then you're going to see an option that says Run as Administrator. Left mouse click on that, and this may or may not show, but it'll ask you if you want to make changes to your computer. If so, just say yes. Okay, when the browser comes up, now go to the top and type in MAAR.MLXchange CHANGE.com/AX and hit enter. Okay, this is going to bring up the MLS System Component Manager. Now press the install button. When you first press the install button, you may see at the bottom where it says install, where it tries to block that ActiveX control from being installed. Just click the install button there. Okay, now it's come back to the it's kind of reset your screen for you, and press the install button again, and now it's going to go through the process of installing these ActiveX controls. Just press install whenever you get prompted to install. Ignore those little messages at the bottom right there. I have Norton on my machine. You may or may not have it on your machine, so just overlook that. Now it's going to go through and install each of these ActiveX controls, and I will be pressing the install button several more times. Now here it's asking to install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Just press yes for that, and just let it install. And whenever it asks you to install again, just press install. You'll be doing this several more times, so patience will be a virtue here. So I'll just keep pressing install. Here it asks me to restart the computer. You don't need to necessarily start your computer, so just restart later. You can restart it once you finish everything. Continue through it. We have now finished installing all of them. We have red check marks for all 8 of these components, so you can just press the install button again just to be doubly sure. And okay, now that we've got them installed, you can close out the browser, and now we're ready to test. So just bring up your browser now like you normally will, and we're going to go to MAAR.org. and click on my home page in MLXchange. I'm going to log in. See the orange button there for MLXchange. I'm going to press that. And it looks like MLXchange loaded successfully. So once you've done those steps, you should be able to get onto MLXchange and run it and have everything work for you. And as always, if you have a problem, please call the MAAR MLS help desk.